So I'm here doing SolidWorks training for work at Trimax Solutions, and they have a Dimension 3D printer and a whole bunch of sample pieces. So this planetary gear train is all printed. It's really high resolution. And then this golf club head. This dark material is support material. It looks like the whole raft is done in support, and then maybe they print out a bunch of support and then put and it's actually inside, so they must switch between them pretty fluidly. But there's one part here that was made all as one part. So this is gonna be like the holy grail of this type of 3D printing. Might be able to see.